Good morning, students. Today's topic is electric dipole. First of all, we do the definition of electric dipole. So, how can we define it? It is a pair of two equal and opposite charges separated at some distance is known as electric dipole. See the diagram 41. This is a electric dipole. Here, two equal and opposite charge, positive and negative charge separated at a distance 2L. So, it constitutes a dipole. There are some examples of electric dipole. For example, molecule of water, ammonia, hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride and so on. All these compounds has net charge on them, so they are electric dipole. Okay, the next definition is electric dipole moment. Now how can we define it? It is a product of magnitude of either charge into the distance between the two charges. For example, it is represented by P. Here we take the magnitude of the charges Q and the distance between the charges is 2L. When we multiply Q with 2L, then we have the electric dipole moment, which is represented by P. Okay, the dipole moment is a vector quantity. It means it has both magnitude as well as direction. Again, you do the unit of electric dipole moment, that is coulomb meter, and its dimensional formula. The next topic is physical significance of electric dipole. What is its physical significance? In chemistry, you have done some molecules like polar molecules and non-polar molecules. Polar molecules are those molecules which contain opposite charge on their atoms. In the same way, in terms of electric dipole moment, we can define them. Those molecules which have net electric dipole moment, they are known as polar molecules, and those molecules which do not have net electric dipole moment, they are non-polar molecules. In non-polar molecules, both the atoms which form a molecule, they are similar. They have same electronegativity. So, net electric dipole moment is 0 in case of non-polar molecules. Next is the electric field of an electric dipole. Here in your syllabus, there are two articles of the electric field due to an electric dipole. It is on the axial line and on the equatorial line. Axial line means the line joining the electric dipole. We can find the electric field on the same line which is joining the electric dipole, and in case of equatorial line, here we find the electric field that on the axis which is perpendicular to the electric dipole. Today we will do the first article, that is electric field intensity at a point on the axial line of the electric dipole. It means, first of all, see the diagram. In the diagram, we have a dipole, that is AB, separated at a distance 2L. Let O be the center of the electric dipole, and P is the observation point where you want to find the electric dipole. First of all, we find the electric field intensity at point P due to the positive charge. We have already done the formula, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon the distance squared. The distance is Bp square. P is the observation point and the distance is Bp square. From the diagram, it is clear that the value of Bp is R minus L. The total distance is R from the center, and we subtract the L, that is the OB. So, the electric field intensity at point P due to charge minus Q, its value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon AP square. Now, what is the value of AP? R plus L whole square. You have two electric field due to a positive charge as well as negative charge. Now, next step is, here we find the resultant electric field, that is equals to the total sum of electric field due to a positive charge as well as negative charge. Here, due to positive charge, the electric field value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L square. Here we take minus. Why we take minus here? Because due to the negative charge, the direction of electric field is opposite to the direction of positive charge. So the direction of Ex is opposite to the direction of E minus. So we have taken minus here. And the value of E negative is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L square. Here take the things common. Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught I cap. I cap represent the direction of the electric dipole along the x-axis. Here these are simple steps. 1 by R minus L whole square minus 1 by R plus L whole square. Here you take LCM. By taking LCM and solving this equation, at the last you have Q into I upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4 RL upon R square minus L square the whole square. So you resolve this 4RL as a 2R into Q into 2L. It represents the dipole moment. So you have the final formula of electric field due to this dipole is 2Rp upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus L square whole square. There is one special case. If the observation point is very far as compared to the length of the dipole, then we neglect L here, and by neglecting L the formula become 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught RQ. Do this article on your notebooks. Okay.